California coastal live oak trees. Many of them here span several hundred years old. The live oaks are the darker colored trees with the small dark green leaves on them. Some of the oldest trees in Orange County reside here on the park. The park is also home to the Orange County Zoo. The zoo features animals native to the southwestern United States for the most part. The zoo opens up at 10 o'clock daily and will be operating until 4:30 today. 3:30 if you're visiting us Monday through Friday, though. It's a 2-hour admission at the zoo. Kids 2 and under are free up there. You can also walk to the zoo from the train station. It's a nice 5-minute walk through the park.
美国来没坐过火车，就坐个这小火车，不好哈，旧的很是吧？像中国高铁啊。
Around this next curve, we're going to climb up one more small-sized hill. We will pass by a set of 3 historic buildings on our left side. All 3 of them built back together in 1929. The first one you see here closest to the train, that is the Nature Center. It's an indoor museum. You're going to find it open on the weekends typically. I see the lights are on inside, so they're probably open today. Free admission at the Nature Center, by the way. To the right of the Nature Center, the long building in the back, many years ago was a soda fountain. Today it's being used as a county conference room. The last building we passed by up here is the outdoor bandstand. Right next to it, there's a bronze statue of James Irvine II, the founder of the park. The statue is titled "The Winds of Change," and it faces blues due to the prevailing Santa Ana winds. A big company picnic happening up here today, too.
Oh, it's that guy from the commercial. What's his name?
表演。
Off to the right side of the train, you'll see the bird bath. It was built back in 1919. It's been keeping the park's birds clean and hydrated the last 104 years and working every day since. The area we're traveling through right now is usually active with bird and squirrel activities, so keep your eyes open. You never know what you might see. The big oak tree we're passing now with the bump at its base and the large branches on the ground. That tree is estimated to be around 400 years old. The branches fell off almost 3 years ago. It'll be 3 years next month, actually.
We've got a lot of rain earlier in the year, so it's definitely brought out the green one growing out of the ground on both sides of the train, especially that mustard plant here on our right side. When that dries up, it makes pretty good fire kindling, so watch out for those wildfires as that season will be here before you know it.
There's no tunnel here, is there?
What?
Tunnel?
Oh yeah, there is. By the